Hey English 101 peeps. Today we're going to look at how to access the MyWriting learning path. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Blackboard navigation menu where it says MyWriting Lab. So there's going to be a couple of things in here. The first thing is the MyLabs toolkit. And that's where you're going to go if you need help, technical help, something's not working. You can go in here, you can do your browser check. That's probably step number one. And then here's the student help tab. You do not have the integration support tab, so you'll just have these two tabs. So coming back out to all of the items, the next thing is the MyWriting Lab learning path. So you're going to click on that, and once you get in the learning path, you're going to see all of these modules. So MyWriting Lab is integrated into Blackboard. So in each of these modules, there is a topics list. For each topic, there are a set of tutorials. You will get a grade for only the post-test in Blackboard. So you'll click on the purpose topic. If you want to go through some of the overviews and animations, you are encouraged and welcome to do that. But if you think you've got a pretty good hold on purpose, then just come down here to the post-test, click on that, start the test. 70% is mastery. Even if you don't get a 70%, you have 2 attempts on the test, and the highest score will populate in Blackboard. So you've got 2 chances to make the 70%, but you will receive whatever the highest score is. So we'll flip back over here. I want to make sure that everybody understands that in the learning path, that's where the grammar tutorials are. And also, I want to make sure that you understand that in each module, there are multiple post-tests. So there will be a post-test for purpose, which is W5.2. There will be a post-test for audience, which is W5.3, so on and so forth. Writing process, W5.5. So for each of the topics in the topics list, there is a post-test that you will need to take. You will have 2 chances on that post-test, hopefully to score a 70% or better, and that grade will populate in Blackboard. You do not get credit for the skills check. You do not get credit for the post-test down here, this demonstrate mastery post-test. You receive no credit for that. And you do not receive credit for all of the information within the module. And there's a reason for that. I'm not requiring you to go through all of these topics. Instead, if you think, oh, well, I might need a little help on the writing process, it's been a while since I've even thought about that, then you might want to go through a couple of these. But if you think you know the writing process forward, backward, and inside out, then just go straight to the post-test. Take the post-test. If you get a 70 or better, awesome. If you get a 25, you probably need to come back and read through the overview or the animation or do 1 or 2 of the recalls. So that's just a short overview of what to expect in the MyLab writing path. Quite a few of your points will come from this. It may seem like it's busy work, but it's not. Many of us forget these essential skills because we don't always think about them, and not every teacher grades these items. But it's important as professional people to be able to communicate clearly and correctly with the people that you work with. Furthermore, if you're on a committee at church, or you're in the PTA, or you have children, it's always a good idea to know how to communicate correctly. So give this a bit of your time. Email me, shannon.collins@kctcs.edu, or give me a call at 270-686-4624. And I'll answer any questions you have. I'll walk through it with you. Whatever you need help with, I'm here to do that. So thanks a bunch and best of luck.